Among the dry landscapes of Tanzania, the Hadzabe tribe live with a system that requires no farming, no storage, and no long-term planning, only skill, movement, and awareness. Their daily life depends entirely on the land. Food is not stored for later. It is found, hunted, and shared within the same day. Groups remain small and mobile, moving when resources become limited, allowing the environment time to recover. Knowledge is not written or formally taught. It is passed through observation, learned by watching, repeating, and adapting over time. For them, survival is not built on control. It is built on understanding. The hunt begins with movement. The group advances through the terrain, following faint signs left behind, footprints, disturbed soil, broken vegetation. Each detail provides direction, narrowing the search. As they progress, the pace changes. The leader pauses, studies the ground, and signals. The group divides, spreading out to cover more ground, each moving in a different direction while maintaining awareness of the others. There are no spoken instructions, only coordination shaped by experience. After sustained tracking, the search leads to a result. An antelope is located. The group gathers briefly, then works together to lift it. The weight is transferred onto one man's shoulders, and the return journey begins immediately. There is no delay. The objective now is to secure and utilize what has been obtained. At a resting point, the next phase begins. Wood is collected and arranged. Fire is established using dry materials available in the environment. The animal is prepared with precision, cut into manageable portions, and organized for cooking. A pot is placed over the fire. Meat is added along with gathered ingredients, and the process continues steadily. Heat is controlled, and time is allowed for the food to fully cook. Every part is used. Nothing is discarded.
Api. Ah? Itakuwa kwa asimu. Am. Usiacha kutukwa. Wake aja chako sanga ba. Ya sikita. Aseke.
As the meal is prepared, the pace of the day begins to settle. The broth is shared first, warm, rich with everything the hunt has provided. Then the meat follows, divided naturally among the group. There is no system of ownership here. No one takes more than they need, and nothing is set aside for later. The moment is simple, but complete. Because for the Hadzabe tribe, survival is not about accumulation. It is about using what is available, when it is available, and moving forward without excess. And as the day comes to an end, one thing becomes clear. This way of life continues not through convenience, but through understanding. If you found this journey meaningful, consider liking the video and subscribing to follow more stories from places where humans live in direct connection with the natural world.